I'll show you guys the date right now. So currently we're reviewing our trades. We're currently on the March trade 312. So today's April 1st. We're on a break right now, but I'm gonna review the notes I took earlier. All right, so for the month of March, the commonplace book took longer than expected. It took us a whole month to review all the notes, and then eventually start writing it down towards the end of the month. I did review it already today. So SPT Roxy commonplace book, we reviewed it. We reviewed everything, the primes, trading model, everything. Reminds me of what I need to be doing there in trading. I need to review it a little bit slower though to retain the information a little bit more. And then our sleep routine was not fixed. You know, we were all over inconsistent during March. Our drawdown month, we're too impatient, not consistent in reviewing and learning. So for the trades, we weren't reviewing them enough, in my opinion. We did create the playbook. We didn't review it as much though, because we're reviewing the notes and we're trying to finish the commonplace book and all this other stuff. We didn't even tape read enough. You know, towards the end of the month, we were tape reading. Now this month, I'm going to tape read a lot, and I'm going to focus more on my trades and, you know, the concepts. I already have everything. I just need to review, put the time in, you know, get more market time and more screen time, and follow my motto and just trade it when it presents itself. And of course, be more consistent in trading the higher probability days and not giving back what I made, you know, so not being greedy, you know, or overconfident, or, you know, just impatient. Just wait, knowing when the conditions are probable and just taking them. But yeah, we didn't tape read enough. We did exercise plenty though, so I was running a lot more during the month of March. I was running twice a week. Right now I stopped running because my toes, I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty messed up. So I don't know if it's my shoes or if it's the way I'm running. I'm gonna start doing a little bit more research on how I can improve upon that. So yeah, we did do a 72-hour water fast. That is something that is very important, because whenever I did the water fast, I basically stop eating, and eventually, you know, I do this every 6 months. So it was up, you know, during that time period where we did do it during September, after, I think, before my birthday. So, you know, March was the 6th month. It was really good. We didn't do completely water. We did add a little bit of electrolytes. I think we should have done coconut water. I think that would have been a lot better of an option, but next time for sure. So we're gonna learn from that. And then we did only read 2 books. So we did only read 2 books, and those were the trading books right here, which is Best Loser Wins. And then eventually we took for the mental game of trading, the mental hand history, the mapping, and then eventually, you know, all the other stuff he was talking about in the other chapter. Yeah, we did only read 2 books. Again, not enough in my opinion. I think we should have been reading a book a week. No matter how big the book is, we need to put more time into the reading to finish it in a week. It doesn't matter. Until then, I'm gonna continue to meditate, read, journal, and study. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the date. Basically, it's April 2nd. I said I was gonna update you guys next week, but I'm gonna show you guys the plans on what I actually plan on doing and what I plan on doing for this week, for the coming of the week. So today, you know, I'm basically searching up crypto. Again, I said I'm gonna get into crypto, so I'm gonna learn about altcoins, Solana coins, crypto, DeFi, what to do, you know, how to catch these little moves. This is everything total 3, excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cash. These are for Solana meme coins, and then this one is for crypto nodes. I plan on learning crypto nodes, and then airdropping, and then eventually finding the wallets for the whales, and then other people too that are making like bags off of meme coins, copying and seeing like what they're looking at, and like entering what they're entering off of. Inversion happened, breaker block happened, but it didn't happen with speed. We left it for really up here, and we went up and took out these highs, and eventually the other highs too. So as you can see here, we took out the highs up there. This is where the inversion fair value gap happened with the break, and then we left the fair value gap. We didn't move, but I was just tape reading. We took out those highs, we created more fair value gaps, inversions, and we went up higher and higher, and then we took out that for Dow Jones wallet. ES and Q did the same thing, but it was just chopping. We're still on chapter 8 for this book. We're on page 44. We have a long way to go. This book is about 199 pages. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the date. I'm gonna show you guys the time. Currently 1:25, Friday the 5th. Today, again, just a very low probability day. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. We got a new lamp. Pretty much setup looks really freaking clean with this. I know the lighting doesn't look really good, but nonetheless, we are working really late at night without the lamp bothering us. And as you can see, blue light glasses here just to help. But we have the commonplace book here. We're reviewing it every day. Basically, we are on, again, chapter 15 for the book here. This book has so many chapters, bro. Like 15K, we're not that far down there. I think we're at 5% for the 15K. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna show you guys right now. So I'm just writing down everything. So here's gonna be the update right here, 9.44 basically, 40. I mean, and it's just been very bad. This account has been very bad. We started off strong. Let me show you guys the monthly. We started off strong, and then eventually we've just been going down ever since. And then eventually for this one, same thing really. We started off strong, and then we've basically been going down. You can see that we went up, we came back down, now we're going back down. Get better every day. I'm gonna review my mistakes and learn from them, from the trades over here. So yeah, that's pretty much really it for today. I'm gonna go for a run, review, and then just learn from it. The 6th of April, and basically I read this comment right here. It says, "You're trying to copy someone else. Reading notes and books will make you profitable." I don't know what I think it meant will not make you profitable. That's what he was trying to say. Then we take the pressure of forcing yourself reading notes and content psychology, the reason you're failing again and again. So that is key, I guess. And then eventually Stop following others, including ICT. Just study the chart by yourself. You have learned enough from ICT. Now it's time to make it for yourself. So I think that is true. I think that's one thing I'm gonna start doing is from like my main account right here. I'm gonna stop following all these other traders and like. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my screen time. Pretty bad, I know. I need to delete some apps or just restrict myself from the phone. As you can see, that's last week. Look at this week, 1 hour higher, and then before that it was around the same. So this was the worst week, honestly, 8 hours. So I'm gonna try to reduce a lot of it. It's really just productivity and finance, and then entertainment, and then social. As you can see, social is the highest, entertainment is second highest, and then productivity and finance is the lowest, which is something I don't like. Or during February, whenever we were profitable and we got that little certificate, we were what? Studying the Notion. I was studying it every night. I reviewed the video, I was studying it every night. I was in the Discord sending them, you know, like my trades, what I'm looking at, tape reading, you know, and I was doing a lot. As of recently, I haven't been doing that, you know, and I've been slacking basically. So today's basically the same day, April 6th, and basically we deleted YouTube. So if you go here, YouTube, you can't see it no more. All right, so it's pretty much, let me show you guys the date, and then April 7th, it's 11:37 right now, and currently, you know, we unsubscribed to a lot of traders. I won't lie, I'm not really watching any more traders. You can see here, you know, we pretty much unsubscribed to a lot. We only have a couple, you know, of H Trader, we have Hannah Forex, and I think that's really it. Then I have myself, you know, into the charts, getting more screen time. I think that's something that really resonated with me, was that comment, you know, and I was just lacking, you know, the consistency. And then Luke Belmar's data set, you know, on luck on the Telegram, you know, I think that really snapped into me. Both of those things, you know, aligned perfectly on the same day, and they just snapped to me, you know, like, you know, I need to show up more, I need to put in more work, I need to, like, if I want a higher probability of being successful, I need to, you know, do the things that make me successful. I need to be showing up every day. As you can see, it's Wednesday, April 10th, and today we have a lot going on today. So as I updated you guys Sunday, I don't recall what I said, but I remember talking about charting every day. We've been charting every single day. This week by far has been a very good week as of trading so far, but not the best. It was on a Monday, again a low probability trading day, and you can see we just slightly entered a little bit too early, and again on the 15 we're like, what are we doing? And then eventually, you know, I realized as soon as I lost, I was like, wait, I'm trading wrong, I'm trading incorrectly. What am I doing? When I was trading the 10K and like the 15K after we got funded, I don't recall much. I can't remember much of what I did after, but I do know one thing is I started switching the layouts. I started switching, like, you know, how many charts we have, and like I remember switching that, and eventually that threw my momentum off, and that threw the rhythm off. So what did I do? You know, the past couple of days I've reverted back to that. Right here you can see NQ had a bunch of high resistance. You can see that there, while ES never really did. See, ES was very clean and sharp leading up into the area, and then eventually we hit that 4-hour inversion. And eventually I looked for another inversion here, because on the 15 we already had that big sell sign imbalance. So there's no point of trying to go on the 15 look for a change in the state of delivery if we already had a market structure shift and eventually a sell sign imbalance form. So we just looked for a change in the state of delivery on the 1 minute, and we dropped. So yeah, using both of the models, very powerful, and I think I'm going to continue to do that. 4% drawdown, so not bad, honestly. I gotta scream, oh baby, like she just me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick what day it is. So it's pretty much April 14th, 17:32. I ended my second monk mode. I know I slacked. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The reason why we stopped this monk mode was, 1, I was playing Call of Duty. 2, with a female. You know, just talking to her, getting to know her better, building my relationship. Because I'm not gonna lie, once you're like on monk mode, you're locked in, you have no social media, like it's very hard to like actually become really good like socially. So I didn't want to lose my social skills. So guess what? I started talking to them, and I started, you know, like raising them up. But like, you know, like it's simple as that. You know, I got distracted. I was playing Call of Duty, UFC 300 this weekend. You know, and you know, just playing Call of Duty with my boys. You know, just talking to them, having a good time here and there. But you know, I need to lock back in. I was like, I woke up today, I was like, what the hell am I doing? I need to log back in. I haven't been reading. We haven't even finished. That's what I mean. I haven't been reading at all. I haven't read Obstacle is the Way. The next book, look at that shit. It's shining. That's not like, it's golden. It's like right here, the little treasure that I need to get and start reading. This one right here. Ryan Holiday books. I plan on reading them. Notice is key equals the enemy. I just don't like how he has all these chapters and like in parts, the same parts. It's all, you know, it's not like not like small baby chapters. That's why I don't like watching Bob Mary, whatever his name is, in Tan and White. But the thing about these podcasts, not these, but the other ones in my other playlists, all right, ladies and gentlemen, today is pretty much, let me show you guys on the chart. Pretty much today is Thursday, April 18th, and it's currently 16:16 New York time, basically 15:16 my time, so 3:16. And today we haven't been, this week, I won't even lie to you, this whole week we haven't been trading. So let me load up my Notion just to prove it to you guys. Let me show you guys the MT5 charts or MT5 broker thing, because I know a lot of people aren't going to believe me. It's my A game. You can see the last time we traded was 4/16. 4/16 was what? Let me check the date when it was 4/16. 4/16 was Tuesday. That's when we took the last trade. Wednesday and Thursday we didn't take any trades. Monday we didn't take any trades. So we've been basically on a drought season recently, trading. So this week actually, just only one trade this whole week. So yeah, as you can see, and again we didn't. So we completed day one, and then after that, you know, we just stopped. And yeah, no, I still need to read. That's one thing I'm gonna start doing a lot more, because it's already halfway through the month, and I have not even halfway. It's already like what, 3 weeks in, 2 weeks fully in. It's about to be 2 weeks fully in, but it's been basically like 3 weeks, 18 days, and I still haven't even finished the book. So I haven't updated you guys in a while. Let's see the date right here. What is it? April 22nd. I don't know the last time. 17. Well, I mean, it would be 19:39 right now, but 7:39 p.m. I guess you can say. And today we finished the book. Obstacle is the way. We're journaling it right now. Over here, obstacle is the way. We're gonna start reading this one. Ego is the enemy. I did journal today. I didn't read because I'm doing this right here, and then I did not meditate. I did go run though, and then I need to study and research the journal in. I put the, you can see pretty much, I don't know if you can see, it's 6.75 miles. 6.75 miles, 1 hour and 12 minutes, Monday, April 22nd. That is today, 776 calories. How do I run? You can see that right there. We started right there, and we just traded. We hit a break even right here on Dow Jones today, a buy, and we hit break even. We sold it. You see, it went up around a couple hundred pips. And my reasoning for this was what we had an internal sweep inversion right there for him. We entered, but then eventually I did get scared. I won't lie. I saw this right here, and then I eventually saw the breaker for him, and I was like, all right, it's taking off. And I did say, you know, I wanted to enter more sells because the weekly bias is looking more bearish in my opinion. If I go show you guys that right now, so I'm going to 4 hour, not BTC. Oh, I'm on my crypto. Right now I'm looking bearish again because of the 4 hour. We have that sell and imbalance taking out all that. Hold on, reset the price scale. All right, so we have a weekly sell and imbalance. We got a change in the state of delivery. We had that sweep right there, but we had it as a close, so it's a market structure shift. All right, so yeah, I'm in drawdown still, 7%. What I plan on doing, being more consistent, being more disciplined, showing up daily, showing up earlier, showing up as soon as the market, you know, like 30 minutes before the market even opens, reviewing my trades constantly, reviewing my commonplace book constantly. I haven't been reviewing it as much as I would want to, which is a daily thing, but I haven't been doing it recently. Okay, so I haven't updated you guys, but we basically blew. Today's basically Friday. I didn't take any trades. Just demo trading, trying to get back to the groove of everything, reviewing the trades, you know, just building my mindset again. I think that's something I've been trying to do. Start watching a lot of podcasts, not buying anything, just reviewing, retaining all that information and reviewing it. So that is pretty much really it. I don't plan on doing anything for April, just continuing to review, study my trades and demo trades and watch podcasts. Yeah. Alright, so basically it's April 26th. You can see it's 16:55. So what I plan on doing from trading, alright, so what I actually plan on doing from trading is probably going on demo for like a couple of weeks, which I have been doing, and still, you know, continuing to put in the work that I was putting in. So like charting, showing up every day early. As of right now, you know, the past 2 days I've been kind of like in a lower mood swing because we lost the account. I'm just tired of it, honestly, being in trading. So I want to make some form of content, and that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to start going and branching out and doing all these other things. I want to finish those books right there, and I want to finish those up there and get all these done right here too. So we can start on this stack right here. This stack is probably going to be one of my favorite, and then probably finish this one and this one, and then get it down here, these. So I want to collect a lot of information and just read a lot and watch podcasts and collect a lot of information, and then eventually after that to level up and to just build better health and like certain understandings and mindsets that I need to have. And pretty much the tunnel is falling off, and I can't run, I can't really exercise too much, I can't put too much pressure on my feet, my left foot. Alright, so I just got done making a video on the computer here, but today's Monday, April 29th. I think April ends in 2 days, so it ends tomorrow. So tomorrow basically is the end of April. What I plan on doing for tomorrow and like the month of May, reading, finishing these books, god damn it, refining the smart money reversal X standard deviation model, and eventually approaching funded accounts very, very soon after we have kind of semi-perfected and we've seen consistency on both of the models, the new one, the 3 PTA rate rule one, and then eventually the smart money reversal one, probably incorporating the 22 model. I kind of want to freestyle trading. I don't want to like have certain models to enter and like just building myself up, building my own mind and my own mentality as to what I can do, and like being more consistent too in the morning. I feel like I'm not really as consistent as I should be, especially waking up and like following my trading morning routine. I was talking about it.